Walagi patba karilom Khasi Jantia haka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council but Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council kila ay kejengkersya ni keseng Voice of the People's Party VPP. Nagaliang usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau ba senyaw balang dahar ulakam baga VPP kila hiar baha kejengyo vote mentaga genti. Ladai nujor bat ka vote kiyo hak election MP. Habakrani kila patai kubor hak arpusan terik udampang arajar arpusan uba senyaw balang dahar ulang baladai nujor ki election MP bagi election MDC. Wala ki padba kila ay tang sangut ki MDC ya ki NPP. Henry hak election MP ka VPP ka balasar lot abro arp kondai teli ki constituency Harilom Khasi. Henry hak election MDC pat ka yo tang khatnyo teli ki constituency. Baru ulang ba kini kapau bagi NPP ka lakiyo bha. Ulang beladekran halor ki election MP ka VPP ka yo sanlak tam ki vote. Kan ba menta pada ki election MDC ka yo tang lai lak tam. Bat kini kalong tang apo pran ni kendai benai bagi job ki election MP. Bat mano bantip bakat banwan kesenam arajar apupra ka VPP ka aban hiar sada arpo daksis pa ai. Baru ulang bo entrestom bakan longkumta. Halor kejengyo thau ka VPP ya ka executive committee ha ki HADC. Ubas nyaw balang dahar ulang ba ai baga VPP gan thau ka executive committee ha ki HADC. Bat NCFP ikurkom terekam jongka. Bat kejekerman kalong ikipat ba baga VPP kerada bankular. Balada kila ban terekat kum kejengku apat ba nekimla upat ba hi unsa bishar.
Hang hakata pinyo ibang ila improve ba. Mara ka last election MP ka VPP kayo sanlak niyo po mulumala. Manta kayo astang lalak niya po more or less in the 36 constituency. We are very much improved in terms of vote share. Temata kan MBC kayo lalak niya po ka NPP kayo arlak prapo tam is different 85,000. Haka last ka different lalak tam. But we are really improving as a NPP party and as MDA partner also. We are really improved.
Ka NPP ka VPP ka hiya
Here laki from 5,70,000 to 3,71 is drastically reduced in just in a span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know, and we are working towards that. Yang kalau kum ni yang berbeda dengan election MDC, nangkong ay kubulay ke district administration bro artili, maka election ni conduct very well kaya ibang RT. Bat kumju yupai ba beliru one board ke bron borom don kano. Ta oi mla iklem da ai kublai kerpang lang jungai ke Jantil district kala. Ai ka support hadu khalangu di MDC na ka leng jong Jantil region. Ha oi jak bade ber kasil ro we respect the mandate of the people mo kila ai hadu south li. Ta ke jing hi ka bha na marba. La ringi nu jori ha ka last election MP. Ong baik ke VPP kala asarut bro ar kundai sit na kasil handai menta kayo stang khanyo. It's we are improving very much. Tak bedel Giant Hills BOE kala ngila improve bahi more than 50-60%. Tak katai nang leng junga ai kublai ki pai ba jungin nong Giant ke belaje de party jungin kila put be ke faith and confidence on NPP. Tingi kum ke party ha bedel ke Giant Hills jungin persang bantre bahakar bara. Ha bedel ber kasil ro ni ai kublai na mar MP ngila rem bro ar kundal rem kubut mentala yo adu saw bat ka UDP san bat independent R bat inspira long khadar is very much improve as MDA government. Maka election ni kamu self power kam tu don kipai ba ki wen ki one third vote ya ka vote bo borom ni tik sok na mar yo khalai sit mud be use mo self power la pila ke mo self power lay for a small example give you picking by so yeng yo tu rong ba sang berim dengan arwan ha tu lagi lepa de be kicking use mo self power to sebol de ki job khan sit ha ngin ongi ki use mo self power no we respect the mandate. Why we should blame each other? We have to respect the mandate of people. Hakasil ki job khan use ni klamo mo use mo self power ngin job khalai ko mo use mo self power, that's wrong. And kum kunuk salem ni bro sime to excitement dengan klamo athi aso don bag baga jing tre bahaj district administration like thau bopli klamen sa ikon kiti na mark expectation de ke junga kare jong pai ba ma kila kular bon ke baro ta tharap ki kular ke de men la man perform ke kila kular to pai ba bastan ngala kila man kular kala man mel ki la man pinme ba ki kular pai ba la man simple as that pai ba kin ai ki license mata skmat. Right from yesterday morning I'm already warning them please, since the results will be declared by 10 or 11 a.m. afternoon, please take care. All the village should be peacefully. I will install, and there is not so. Yes, obviously few here incidents here and there like Narwan yesterday. So now everything's in place, everything's in order.
Halor kamat ban pengeria ya ki harijan na them yo maulong. Uli tu bak sarkar kam ai daw halor kamat ban pengeria gi jandru harijan ndai gede kamat ka balas ateng di kibun snem. Bada shwa bak sarkar kan shim ka rai ka ban long shirta dan kam ban shim ki senjam suki-suki. Ulang syok bala dak sarkar ka lek kulmar bala dak pois ki yang bishar kandang wan ra jing ya syok kum tak sarkar ka lek bha. Kenang ba andal dep ban penbet ka de ban long shirta. Ulang bagi tip bagi pat ba kila kwa ban i ka ngamat bahkan urlong no dak sarkar kan omlek kekit.
Namar kalau kumni mongr ba daw kat ba ki isu basa ki potoli kisnam. The shwa bingin let's don nak babha barok shirta kadon kami yang memperkat batik naman lading ile keluarkan step in ke kole dang situm pan bantu so na kata kada kumago man ngi watch back and front properly in such a manner so that once we solve it we will solve it once for all kata de kada mdai binga by time ni song tu ki pai ba jong step beli barok ki kwai kan dep ta ki kwai namar ba yo ngi rosh kulmar pitip ka de code is very near now hani ngi kwa ba ngin pesah kata keltik nang da kanukur kom le mari ka wat ka kham simpor kendero se makla biang kan biang baru serta kan tadi jikwa musor karte mendai ba nga bangi ting no ma yo buru mla member umau yo sopi hamo bangi protek gitarum de re hanai kan ngi tibi ba gajing anu jong ke kipai ba jong steady ya kan isu hapat solve no ni ka tawi la put top priority.
Now, model code of conduct is over. So, when are you planning to take this Harijan Kadani issue? Because you said that last time that let the election get over.
Election you get over yesterday. Give me some time. Yeah, why are you so hurry on that? We are trying towards in the final stage of completion. Let us wait. Now session is coming. Yeah, we are let the new EC form. We are trying to address this issue as a government. We are trying to address this issue properly.
So we can expect that the employees of the district council will get regular.
It should be, so we are trying to address it nicely because financial crisis is always there in the council. So we are trying to work